This is the afternoon weather update. This is for Friday, the 2nd of February. I'm James Spann. What a beautiful day today. Doesn't get any better than this. However, rain coming back on Sunday. We turn much colder, but the cold snap will not last long. Let's discuss things today. This is the upper air look, and we got a big trough in the western states. That is progressive. That will bring that chance of rain in here on Sunday, maybe into part of the day Monday. But I got a big ridge pumped up ahead of the trough over parts of the Midwest and the western Great Lakes, and we are underneath that ridge, and it's an amazingly nice day for midwinter. That's a visible satellite view. The sky mostly sunny across the state. Got a few little bands of high cirrus clouds around. There's the radar composite, and you can see some rain over parts of Texas, Oklahoma, western Kansas, eastern Colorado, but the east is quiet. And yes, indeed, look at Tuscaloosa, 72 today. Birmingham, 69. Anniston and Gadsden, 68. Huntsville, 68. Upper 60s for Montgomery. Dothan, Mobile at 71. A little hint of spring in the air today. We'll see numbers like that tomorrow, and then Sunday will be much colder. Here's the watch warning map around the nation today. We have winter storm watches and warnings in effect and advisories for parts of the Intermountain West. Got flash flood watches for much of California, wind issues in parts of West Texas, and fog issues for some of the northern states, but the eastern third of the country is quiet. For the rest of today and tonight, we have a risk of severe storms over parts of Texas and Oklahoma. This is tomorrow, a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5, around Houston and right on the Louisiana coast. And on day 3, which is Sunday, we have a marginal risk over South Florida, mainly south of Interstate 4. So here's the rain for the next 7 days, and the bulk of this will be tomorrow night, Sunday, and early Monday. Rain amounts for the northern third of the state, 1/2 to 1 inch. Elsewhere, 1 to 1.5 inches. And again, if you missed it, this is the latest drought monitor that was released yesterday, a huge improvement. We've lost all of the extreme drought conditions, and again, now about 33% of the state in some type of drought. That is way down from last week when that was about 73%. So, model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run ballot tomorrow afternoon at 4. And we have the trough coming into Texas. Down below that, rain breaks out for Jackson, much of Louisiana, Arkansas, East Oklahoma. A surface low is on the Louisiana coast, and that rain will probably creep in here tomorrow night. And then on Sunday, the weather will be cold and wet. Occasional rain likely for the northern half of the state. Temperatures will likely hold in the 40s all day. South Alabama with 50s. The surface low is near Mobile, 997 millibars. And the only surface-based instability is near the Gulf Coast. So there might be a rumble of thunder on the coast. Elsewhere, just cold and wet on Sunday. And then Monday, the rain is out. Any lingering rain should end fairly early in the day. Clouds will likely linger. The high Monday should be in the 50s and maybe 60s for South Alabama. So this is Tuesday. Good-looking day. The sky will be sunny. We start the day in the 30s. The high will be in the 60s. Same thing Wednesday. Thursday of next week, rain begins to break out to the west. And then this is a week from today, Friday, the 9th of February. Got a new trough coming into California. We have a southwest flow aloft, and evidence a surface boundary could drift in here and probably stall out. So a chance of showers at the end of next week on Friday the 9th, and that chance of rain will likely linger into that following weekend with the surface boundary stalled out. Let's go out 10 days. This is Monday the 12th of February. Again, we have a southwest flow aloft, and once again, that looks wet. A surface low near Chicago with rain, maybe some thunder. So a little unsettled for that weekend. Here's a look at rain totals for Birmingham. This is coming off the European Ensemble. And again, on these charts, you look for the green line. That is the mean of the ensemble members, about 3 inches between now and the 17th of February. And still no evidence of any Arctic air, at least for the next 10 days. This is coming off the National Blend of Models. You can see 66 tomorrow. And then Sunday, the high 50. Many places over North Alabama will hold in the 40s, but then we bounce right back with low 60s for much of next week and maybe mid-60s around Saturday the 10th. And hot off the presses, got the brand new 8 to 14-day outlook. This is for the 10th through the 16th of February. Temperatures here a little above average, below average out west. And also hot off the presses, this is the brand new weeks 3 and 4 outlook. This was released today, and this is for the period February 17th through March 1st. And we're in the blue. And again, we fully expect a pattern change where the Arctic air comes back. It is brutally, brutally cold over Alaska right now. And at some point, that air has to move. And how much of it modifies, how much of it reaches us, we don't know that yet. But it looks like it could be relatively cold for the last week or two of February. But again, obviously way too early for specifics. Let's roll that Children's of Alabama Kid Cam, and what a big crowd. We've had some big crowds this week. This is St. James Catholic School in Gadsden. And you know what? They gave me a really good-looking cake. There's just something about this cake that speaks volumes to me. I like that. Yeah, buddy, great time today. We had such a good time learning science. You can have a good time and learn some science. So again, to all of the teachers and the students, you guys were so good today. Administrative team members, thanks a lot for an amazing visit today. St. James Catholic School in Gadsden. You guys are looking good. So no book signing tomorrow. This evening, I should mention, I'm at the Alabama Baseball Foundation annual banquet. That's an amazing ministry, an organization. They do a lot of things for underprivileged kids. We'll be there at 7. Brian Jordan, a baseball great. I'll be interviewing him. Tomorrow, I'm going to be judging the Wings of Hope Chili Cook-Off in Pelham with my old buddy Rick Carley. And don't forget, a week from tomorrow, it's the Rocket City Weatherfest in Huntsville. And I will be speaking, and this year the topic will be a look at the March 25th, 2021 tornado outbreak in the state. We had multiple long-track tornadoes. We had loss of life. A lot of people were affected by that day. We'll look at the setup in terms of meteorology. We'll look at the warning process, how it worked, what went right, what went wrong. That was the day that was not good for me because my house was hit by an EF3. And then after that, we'll do a book signing in Huntsville. So again, that's a week from tomorrow on the 10th. And then on the 24th, Saturday the 24th this month, I'll be in Nashville for Nashville's Severe Weather Day. And I'll be doing that program up there. And I don't have the time yet. Well, actually, I do, but I'll post it when we get closer. But that's at Trevecca Nazarene University in Nashville. That's on the 24th. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, right across the hall, Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.